Hi, best friends! Andito ako ngayon sa Bulacan kasama friends ko. Dito kami sa Sola Private Villa. It's just an hour away from Metro Manila. Well, depende sa flow of traffic if you know what I mean. Pagdating pa lang, karaoke na talaga. You know na, Filipino thing we love. Anyway, nagluto ako ng inihaw na liempo. Pasta ko at pasta ni Marlon. Salad. Simple lang para chill lang kami. Then sa gabi, hindi natapos yung karaoke namin. Tuloy-tuloy. Pagdating ng 10 p.m., bawal na daw mag-karaoke kasi bawal mag-ingay. Kaya ayun, nag-swim na lang kami, best friends. Yung iba natulog na. The next day, Jano and Serge made breakfast. Sorry to say, hindi ko na video, best friends. Nakain agad lahat. Pero hindi nga. Birthday ni Jano din, best friends. Happy birthday kay Jano. Single yan. Huwag ka magalit sa akin. Pinost ko to. At dahil na-cut off kagabi, nagpatuloy pa rin mag-video the next day. Then, sa last day, nagpakaldereta si Kevin. Sobrang sarap kahapon niya pa yun pinakuluan. Dinner, nagpa-Buddha fight ako. And we had a lot of laughs, drinks, swim, and games. And all I can say, this place is the bomb. From aesthetics to pet-friendly. You can cook and grill, hang out with your loved ones. A quality time well spent indeed.